Okay, so I got it medium high right now. So gonna let it burn off the first coat. They said to let it go till the griddle starts turning blackish. It get darkish. It started turning. So let's see what happens. Alright, let's open. I'm doing it this way because the griddle that I'm doing is for the RV, and the RV is already parked out there. So I'm doing this in the backyard on the regular grill. So hopefully get the same effect. Yeah, it's already turning darker. I got an onion on there for some scent. It smells so good. But it's slowly turning. I think I might turn up the burners just a little higher and see what happens. Round one done. Let it cool and then repeat the process. You see my onion's getting a little crispy, but it smells amazing. But look, this is the second coating and that looks good. So I'm about ready to let it cool off for about 20 minutes, and then I'll come in and do one more coating, a third coating. Some people do 4 or 5 coatings. I think 3 is going to be good enough, especially as good as the second coat looks. So we'll find out. Okay, so it's done. I just did 3 coats, so let's see what it looks like. Let's go here. Back up here. The fridge. And here it comes. There it is. 3 seasons. 3 seasonings, I should say. So, she's good to go.